Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapie Stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngeskim sam guys. Yo niyazi guys, skim sam beshube kanjani ke leli viki ke elidlule emva kokuthi ke uMapitsi kanye ke no DJ Thomas bebanjwe ke uqotsheni ukuthi cha bayajola emsebenzini ke bazwakala wonke umuntu wezwa ukuthi hayi uMapitsi uyamthanda uDJ Thomas futhi nje akekho umuntu ke ongamstoppa from that, akasenandaba nomshado wakhe. But ke it turned out ukuthi ke uMapitsi ubuyele engqondweni zakhe, uyamthanda ke uTipus. We don't know guys, but ke she was very happy with ke uDJ Thomas. But uDJ Thomas akazokhombisa nisho uzwelo ke njengoba ezozama ukuthi ke afake ke uMapitsi under the bus, enze sengazuthi uMapitsi ke okade ke emlandela nje akazokhombisa nje any remorse uDJ Thomas ekhombisa ukuthi lento kade yenza it was wrong, but kunalokho ke uzozaba ke ukublame ke uMapitsi ngayo yonke ke into. But ke uMapitsi guys uzozama ngakho konke ke bakithi ukuthi ke asave umshado wakhe ke benoTipus. But kwasengazi ukuthi uTipus guys useyenzile ke i-decision yakhe, njengoba ke sizwa kuthiwa ke uMapitsi uzoconfronta a very harsh reality of her downfall. Enye into enzima ke lapha ke kuTipus ukuthi ke mehlukana noMapitsi guys, they have to share u-50-50 njengoba beshade ke in community ke of property. So we are not sure guys ukuthi ngampela iyona yini i-decision ezothathwa ke uTipus ukuthi ke yazini we better share our 50-50, nami ngiyiphile impilo yami iyingane ke sikhuthe ngendlela ke esizoyikhulisa ngayo. Ngibona sengazuthi abadlali ke beskim sam guys abathandi nje ukubona a happy marriage, kahle bathanda nje ukubona umshado oright lapha ke kwiskim sam, njengoba ke nokaTipus nawo awuhambi kahle, nokwaKwaito nawo awuhambi kahle, noka principal Tuwahani yakhumbula ukuthi wabhidlika kanjalo, futhi noka principal owamanje uMawonga guys naye uyihlalela yedwa. Umuntu nje ohlala nopartner wakhe uyena ke umama ke uMicky, kodwa naye guys akusho ukuthi ba happy kule relationship. Nika bantu futhi yaphela, nika bhuti wakhe ke uTipus nayo yaphela kanjalo futhi relationship. So nje ababhali balomdlalo kwasengazi into umshado o peaceful abayithandi bandla shem. So guys kwasengazi ukuthi cha it will be over between ke uMapitsi kanye ke nomnyeni wakhe ke guys. So we are looking forward to see ke ukuthi kuzobe kwenzekalani. Isizini ke le iyaphela, siqala ke isizini entsha ngomhla ka-30 ke guys, oku season 14. Yo yeah guys, skim sam selokhu siyashisa ever since nje guys, siya like ababhali balomdlalo bayakhona ukusidonsa, like yo they do the thing shem. When they create drama they really do it ngampela nibone nani ukuthi yazini idrama phela guys. Last week it was like sibuka i-reality yangempela. So anyway guys, yeah man, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.